I saw this leak. Insane. An insane leak. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Holy moly. Did you see this thing?
Yeah.
What is going on? Giant camera module and a screen on the back of the phone.
Why not?
Which is a mirror of the screen on the inside of the phone.
This tiny little screen.
Now, obviously, when you see it in the way that it's pictured here, it makes very little sense. Like, why would you want people on the backside of your phone seeing what you're looking at on your phone? But if you launch into the camera app, and I'm curious how they're going to implement it within the software.
Imagine you can tap the little screen.
Touch screen on the back?
Yeah.
You about to have a little giggle there, Willie Do?
That's, yeah, it's quite funny to me.
A mini screen, a mini phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even think, it looks so small, I don't even know that you could tap those icons individually. I think your fingertip would press multiples if it was even possible. But I presume the purpose of this is for taking photos on your high quality camera on the rear and framing it up through the camera app. But what's weird is in this particular demo, this is a leak, by the way. This guy took the video down. It got reposted. It's not supposed to be up yet. He's showing it off with just the camera or the phone's desktop on the back of the phone. So I don't know how that works when you enable it. It's probably inside of the operating system, and he's probably just doing it for the purpose of this video. But it's kind of weird that it would even be possible because I can't imagine why you would ever want to do that. So it's almost like the screen should only activate when you're inside the camera app.
Is the video still up?
The video got reposted. Oh, did it get taken down in the time? I have it here embedded. Let me see if it's still up. It's a repost that's up right now. But obviously they don't want it up. Maybe it got pulled from your article. They don't want it up because it's not out yet, but there are a few specifications that are now have been leaked, including the triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel periscope zoom. So one of the reasons that the module is so big is because there's this insane zoom on there. You know how Samsung has the 100x. How about a 120x zoom on here, which is pretty wild. But the whole thing, it just has a unique look to it. It's really embracing the hump. It's all hump. It's full hump.
Yeah. And it seems pretty thick too, judging by the side here.
It seems like once you put the ultra designation on there, you can do whatever you want. It can be fat, thick, hump, everything.
Yeah.
You can throw it all. You can put a screen in it if you want. But weirdly, and can I just say something weirdly? I'm attracted to it. Why am I attracted to it?
It's a hump.
I think it's because it's kind of science fiction-y. This idea of like an extra screen on the back. It feels like one version of the future. Obviously not everybody's version of the future, but just, wow, they jammed a screen in the back. It's kind of a novelty factor to it. And I don't mind a big camera hump. I've gotten kind of used to it at this point. So we'll see. The device should be dropping fairly soon, and I think we're going to get our hands on it, the official model, not the leaked one. So we'll see how that maps out.